Hello and welcome back to my classes Inspired with Anushka. Students, Anushka is present in front of you all here once again with a new topic of biology that is called the cell division. Students, if you haven't watched my previous videos, then please go, and there was a series of the videos that is related for the cell, and you must go through it before knowing the cell division. So after getting the knowledge of the cell, you can understand what the cell division is. So let's start the topic without doing any delay. Please continue with me till the end of the video. Students, let's start. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells, and each of these are produced by an already existing cell. That is, according to this theory, old cells splits into the new cells, and the formation of new cells is called the cell division. So it's a very simple process. The process by which a cell division is also called as the production of new cells, because it is coming from where? From the pre-existing cells. Almost new cells are obtained by the division of parents. Cells are This concept was firstly proposed by a scientist, Nageli. So students, what is cell division? Cell division is firstly discovered by the Virchow in 1855. Note it down. It is discovered by Virchow in 1855. Cell division takes place in three ways, that is amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. Some people only say that the division is in between of two types, that is called only mitosis and meiosis. But no students, amitosis is also, because I am not stand by it, so it is of three type, I can say. The type of amitosis division takes place only in the lower division of organism, that is in the bacteria, in the algae, yeast, amoeba and protozoans. But the mitosis and meiosis are always occur in the higher grade of organizations. So students, my next will be videos on for the dealing with the mitosis and meiosis division. One thing I can say here, that the cell division mitosis is occurs in the normal body cells, and meiosis occurs in the gonad cells, that which is for quite essential for the formation of the gametes, that is called male gametes and female gametes, which helps at the time of reproduction for making the zygote, and from there the character of the two parents meets, because the chromosome number of the we humans are 46, and half comes from the mother and father both, so that the child which is newly born is of the character having of their both parents. Students, this is all about the cell division. Hope you have understand the topic and you understand that what are the types of cell division. We will now discuss about the mitosis and meiosis one by one in our next videos.